Hello guys. So we are asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of magnesium chloride and we have been given the mass numbers of the constituent elements that make up the compound. Okay? So let's start directly to have magnesium chloride. The relative molecular mass of magnesium chloride is equal to, now magnesium, the mass number is 24 plus the mass number of chlorine is 35.5. But remember, we have two atoms of chlorine, so we have times 2, right? So using the order of operation, multiplication will come first, or let's say bracket will come first. So we have 24 plus 35.5 times 2. Well, of course, will give us 71. Am I correct? Of course, yes. So we have 24 plus 71 will give us 95 grams. So the relative molecular mass of magnesium chloride is 95 grams. I believe this video has been helpful to you. Please let me subscribe and share widely. Bye.